Parenting isn't just a job, it's a marathon. Somewhere between changing diapers, packing lunches, and bedtime battles, your relationship and intimacy can take a backseat. And when self-image issues creep in, it can feel even harder to stay connected. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. In this video, we'll reveal practical tips for maintaining intimacy and overcoming insecurities, even when parenting feels like a full-time workout you didn't sign up for. Why sex drive takes a hit with kids. Parenting is exhausting, mentally, physically, and emotionally. When stress hormones like cortisol spike, they suppress your libido. It's your body's way of saying, let's survive now and rest later. Unfortunately, later never seems to come when you're a parent. The mental load. On top of stress, the mental load of parenting, those never-ending to-do lists, can sap the energy you'd normally put into your relationship. Changes in routine. Parenthood often feels like a routine on repeat, leaving little room for spontaneity or romance. The good news? These challenges are normal and can be overcome with the right approach. Small steps to reconnect. 1. Prioritize couple time. Couple time doesn't just happen. You have to make it happen. Schedule date nights or quiet evenings at home, even if it's just an hour after the kids are asleep. Prioritizing each other sends a powerful message. Our relationship matters. 2. Physical touch throughout the day. Don't wait for bedtime to connect. Hug, hold hands, or share quick kisses throughout the day. These small gestures keep intimacy alive and remind you both of your bond. 3. Flirt with each other. Flirting isn't just for the dating stage. Playful messages, compliments, or even sharing an inside joke can build anticipation and keep the spark alive. 4. Divide and conquer. One of the best ways to reignite intimacy is to share parenting duties. When both of you feel less overwhelmed, there's more energy to focus on each other. Addressing self-image issues together. For many moms, pregnancy and postpartum changes can be hard to accept. Stretch marks, loose skin, or extra weight may make you feel less confident. But remember, your body grew a whole human, something truly amazing. It's okay to grieve your old body while appreciating what your new one has accomplished. How dads can support moms. As a partner, your words matter. Compliment her not just on how she looks, but on what you admire about her. Her strength, her patience, her love for your family. Feeling seen and appreciated can help rebuild her confidence. Dads face their own insecurities too. You might feel like you've lost your edge, your fitness, your energy, or even your sense of identity. Remember, it's okay to feel this way, and it's something you can work on without shame. How moms can support dads. Support your partner's efforts to prioritize self-care. Encourage him to find time for the things he loves, whether that's working out, joining a sports league, or just decompressing after a tough day. Validation and encouragement go a long way in keeping his confidence intact. Rebuilding confidence together. Reclaiming your confidence doesn't have to be a solo journey. Try working out together, cooking healthier meals, or even starting a hobby as a couple. The more you invest in yourselves, the stronger your connection will grow. Intimacy as a family value. Prioritizing intimacy isn't just about you, it's about your whole family. When your kids see you sharing affection, laughing together, or making time for each other, you're modeling a healthy relationship. That's a gift that will shape their own future relationships. Keeping the spark alive as parents isn't always easy, but it's absolutely worth it. With intentional effort, open communication, and a little creativity, you can rediscover the joy of intimacy and grow even closer as a couple, because happy parents make for a happy home. What challenges have you faced as parents trying to keep the spark alive? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable advice on thriving as a family.